Ooh, okay. Oh man, the metallic red on this. These are a problem. Oh, what's good, Soul Squad? It's Jordan, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 12 in the brand new twist colorway. Right before we get into the video, I just want to say, guys, we're only like 13 subs away from 400, which is going to be a huge milestone. Thank you for all the support. And then we're only 113 subs away from 500 subs, which is going to be huge. Literally huge. Thank you all so much for the support. It really means a lot. I love making these videos. I hope you guys love watching them. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So today is July 4th, 2021. And that means we have a new Air Jordan 12 to take a look at. Here inside this box is the Air Jordan 12 in the twist colorway. We're going to go over the drop details, history of the shoe, quality of materials, and whether you guys should cop or not. And we're going to throw in some B-roll as always. So getting into the shoes, right off the bat, we got the Air Jordan 12 box. There's the back, writing on the sides, no writing on this side. There's the size tag for you guys to take a look at, sticker on the bottom of the box, and the back of the box. These came in kid size and men's size. Retail of $190. If you didn't win raffles, it seems like there was a chance to maybe walk into a store and they have an extra pair or two. But yeah, I was getting worried for a second because it seems like these were actually going really fast. And it seemed like a lot of people were liking these, so that's very cool. But yeah, some of the history of the Air Jordan 12 just before we get into the box.
Boring!
Is the first Air Jordan 12 released in 1996 for a retail of $135. One of the most iconic Air Jordan 12s ever is the Flu Game 12. This was when Michael Jordan had his fever. It was like 103-degree fever, and he still went out there, played the game, and won. I remember my dad telling me that story of the Air Jordan 12 Flu Game, and I was just in love with that sneaker. And actually, here they are. This is the Air Jordan 12 Flu Game. I actually picked these up at round 2 a few years ago for $100, so couldn't go wrong with these. I remember when I first got into sneakers, I was like, I need the Flu Games. Those are so dope. Yeah, they do have a few pairs. They have the reverse Flu Games. They have the Flu Games that have like the nubuck or suede material. But yeah, these are the closest to the OGs. And yeah, super hyped with these. But enough about the history. Let's go ahead and get into today's. So, as I said, retail was $190. And yeah, here we go. I'll give you guys first look as always. Brownish paper. Here we go, boys. Let's see. Woo. Ooh, okay. Oh man, the metallic red on this. These are a problem. Oh, black laces. Yo, I'm messing with they did the metallic red perfectly. I'm gonna say that right off the bat. The metallic red is perfect. Let's go ahead and get this set up. So here it is, the Air Jordan 12 in the metallic red / twist colorway. Right off the bat, man, this metallic red, I already said it a few times, but I'm gonna keep saying it. It is amazing. Nike, you really did good. Team Jordan, you did good on these. The red is amazing. But as always, let's go ahead and dive into the details. I have the white outsole with the black traction pads and carbon fiber underneath, as you guys can see. Then, moving on to the midsole, we have an all white midsole. We also have mud guards going from around the toe box to the midfoot on each shoe, and then we have some mud guards on the inside heel which go around to the ankle area. Moving on to the uppers, as you guys can see, this is a mainly all white shoe, but we definitely want to get into the leather material, how it feels and how it looks. So right off the bat, the uppers do have these pretty soft panels. I am gonna give that to them. I'm actually happy with how it came out. It's not too hard. But yeah, on the tongue we also see the Jordan Jumpman and 2-3 embroidered. So very, very cool. On the back we do have this black and red back tab right there, which is super, super dope. We have the black sock liners as well. And then as you guys can see, we do have a pair of black rope laces to interchange. I heard they were coming with extra laces. I was wondering if those were going to be red, because I think those would have definitely popped. But we do have black. I am very interested in seeing how those are going to look on the shoe. But let's move to the insole. So on the insole, we do have a black with a red Jumpman, and as always I'll give you guys b-roll so you guys could see all the details I am talking about. I think the thing that stands out most about the shoe is the hits of red. Like red on the shoe are absolutely amazing. I'm not going to complain about the red. Looks great, cannot go wrong. I definitely think if I were to throw on some rope red laces, it would make the shoe pop even more. Red laces may be too loud, but you know, I definitely want to see how that would look. Pop, definite yes. You guys know me, love retail cops, but for the colorway you can't go wrong. It is very, very dope, very clean shoe. The way it came out, I was thinking it was going to be so much white that it was going to be a hard shoe to wear, but this red, you definitely throw it on with a shirt or some pants and it's going to look dope. So judging from the materials, Nike really did good. The colorway, I really like how it's so simple, but these hits of red really make the shoe pop. I am very interested to see how the black is gonna look. So that was the Air Jordan 12 in the twist colorway. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure to drop a sub. Stay tuned because we have so many more videos that are dropping. Sneaker collection video, I still have to do mine. Maybe we'll do Cody's too. And then we have outlet finds videos, vlogs, a bunch of stuff. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Anyways, let me know if you guys copped or dropped the shoe and if you guys are rocking or stocking. It's always funny when I say that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. And yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on the shoe. Till next time, guys. See you.
I think glasses is a bad business look, though. Yeah, glasses.
Anyway, but Cody, what did you think about these ones?
I don't know. I don't really like them.
No, why?
I don't know. I just don't like them.
I don't know.
Pair of custom Air Forces I had done. Shout out Melt.
Melt? M-E-L-T?
Yes, sir.
Any underscores?
Yeah.
A few underscores, maybe.
02 Darlene Frank Custom Air Forces.
Yeah, you gotta show them up close. Very, very dope. And then how much was the charge for?
These were only 90. 90 on top of the shoe price, so not bad.
Yeah. And he wrote his name on the tongue, which is interesting. Like,
I know what's up there.
You should have like wrote your name with it. Where'd the scissors go?
It's hot. It's hot in here.
I don't know why this guy decided to wear a
hot.
jacket inside.
My hair's messed up.
I wear a hoodie and sometimes inside, but it's pretty hot here in Vegas, even at nighttime now. Wait, where's the other one? Trying to leave me out, man.